This song uses the F major scale. And this scale uses a B flat here. So let's play through it again really slow. Let's start with drums. Add a track. Let's try out the ballad kit. So we double click on the MIDI clip to check out all the MIDI. And let's quantize it and see how it sounds. All right, now let's drag out our drum loop. Let's learn the drum part for this song. It uses just the kick drum and the snare drum. Here we go. Again, a bit slower. All right, let's add chords to our song. Add track. How about a synth? All right, let's see how this one sounds. Okay, open up the MIDI, Command A, and then quantize. Let's check this out. Awesome. I think that this pad could use a little bit of reverb, so let's go into the MIDI, click Effects, turn up the reverb a bit. Let's just check it out. Yeah, I like that better. All right, let's drag that one out as well. Here are the chords to this song. Starts on F major. This whole shape moves down to C major. The shape moves up to D minor. And finally to B flat. Your thumb will go on the B flat note and the other ones stay in the same shape as before. One more time, really slow. Now let's add a bass. Maybe a synth bass for this one. The smooth Reese I really like. So before we start, we're going to press the octave down button 2 times. Let's just double check. Nice. Let's quantize this, get everything on grid, and double check the bass. Now the bass. We'll start by pressing the octave down button 2 times, and we start here on F. To the C, up to the D, and then all the way up to a B flat. Let's try again, really slow. And finally, we'll add a melody to our track. Maybe a voice, that could be interesting, like a voice synth. Let's try that. All right, let's quantize it and give it a listen. I like the sound, but I think it would be better if we added some reverb on it. Let's try that out. Let's really turn this up and see what it sounds like. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Now the melody, we're going to use a little bit more of our keyboard here, but we're going to start in this F major scale position. One more time, really slow. So I essentially just moved from this position where my thumb was on the F to this position where my thumb is on this A note here. So this would kind of anchor this position here where I could get to this top note. Now let's play through this whole song.